Hello everybody, I'm Nigel from Alphabet Game and Physics, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the Radiacode app today. So the first thing to do is obviously install the Radiacode app. And then once you've got that installed, just open that up, and the Radiacode will connect, and you'll hear that little sound. You know, just wondering, is it possible to find any hotspots out here? Just scroll down to track, and then just press play. It's as simple as that, really. So now you can literally just walk around and measure the radiation. Here's a hotspot. It's my high energy gamma source in the box. In any case, when the Radiacode alarms, you will get a notification on your phone and your phone will vibrate. And you might be thinking, well, Nigel, what radioactive source do you really have here? Well, for that, go to the spectrum mode. And then if you want to reset a spectrum, in my case I do, just click the clock down there and click reset. Now we are gathering a spectrum of whatever I have in that box. This is just a demonstration. I don't even know if I spent a minute on that spectrum. Regardless, we can already see an americium-241 peak. Look, right there. Also, you can use the spectrogram feature if you want to have many spectrums stacked upon each other. And to start it, just press start. This is just a demo, so I'm not going to wait the full time, but you can see there is a little bit of something going on at the top. Oh crap, where did I put my sources? We'll say hello to the search feature. Scroll down until you see search right here, and this will give you a live overview of the counts per second. You will also see a little chart at the bottom that shows the current count rate on a plot with time. Please say that little box there is it. You'll notice it just alarmed. Wait, did I check the time that it alarmed? There's actually an alarm log feature just for that. So go to events right there. And there'll be power-ons, alarms, all kinds of stuff that you can access to see what has happened at what time. But it's in military time. For this whole video, that source has been right by my feet. How much have I been exposed to? Well, the Radiacode will also track your dose. At the very top of the screen, it'll actually tell you how much you've been exposed to. At the top of your phone screen, if you click on radiation level, you will get another graph with time and radiation plotted on it. A nice feature about this is it'll actually measure both dose rate and count rate. At the very top of the app display, you'll notice the Radiacode device with some control bars and sliders. Click on that, it will allow you to customize some settings. So this will allow you to turn on and off audible alarms, signal the device in case you lost it. It'll also allow you to update firmware and change the alarm levels for count rate, dose rate, and dose. That about concludes it for the Radiacode app tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video with anyone who you think might like it. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.